Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right now? Flip the remote so the buttons face down and find the thin seam at the bottom edge. Use a fingernail or thin pry tool to lift the back cover gently. You don't need force, just steady pressure. Once the edge pops, slide your tool a little further along the seam to release the clips. Make sure to keep the remote steady and away from fabric that can catch the cover, because rough motion can crack the plastic. Now you'll see the battery and its contacts. Identify whether it's a CR2032 coin cell or a small AA pack, since procedure differs slightly. For a coin cell, use a thumbnail to push it out from the spring side and lift. For A, pull the pack straight out from its clip. Do this slowly so you don't deform the metal contacts. Once removed, inspect the contacts for corrosion. Clean lightly if needed, because corrosion stops connections and causes intermittent power loss. With the new battery ready, insert it matching the polarity markings. Make sure the plus and align with the contacts, because reversed polarity prevents power and can damage some circuits. Press the battery into place until it sits flush, then align the back cover and snap it closed by pressing along the clips evenly. If the remote still won't power, remove the cover, clean the contacts with a 70% isopropyl swab, dry briefly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.